This is what you call a man's lantern because it's heavy duty.
That's unbelievable.
This is crazy. So we've got handcrafted for Dorn Fraser, January 2021. And on the other side, this handle was handmade also. All this stuff was handcrafted to Dad for letting the light shine through you. Psalm 89 and 15. And it's made by Camp Wounded Dog Workshop. And then, so happy 80th birthday. I'm not going to be here, so Bruce and I connived and conspired. And it worked out pretty good. Hallelujah.
Well, he's a genius.
Love you, Dad.
Well, amen. Love you too. Bruce is a genius.